Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Classes. It's a quick tutorial on how to add page numbers to your Excel sheet. Whether you are preparing a report, a spreadsheet for printing, or just organizing your data, page numbers can make your document look more professional and easy to navigate. Without further delay, let's get started. First, open the Excel workbook where you want to add page numbers. Make sure your data is ready and formatted as needed. Our Excel sheet is on desktop named as sample. I'll open this Excel sheet. To add the page numbers, we have to switch to the page layout view. For that, go to View tab on the ribbon and click on Page Layout. This will show you how your page will look when printed, including headers and footer. Now scroll to the top or bottom. Header and footer is located. This is the footer and this is the header. Here we can insert the page numbers. When you click on this header or footer, another tab will open on the ribbon, header and footer. So select the place where you want to put the page numbers in the header. Go to this header and footer tab. Here page number option is available. Just click on that. It will add the code which represents the page number. Added the page number. If you add to the first page, it will take the first number and all the pages are added with the page numbers. And you want to add total number of pages beside that page number to know how many pages are there and which page we are located. To do so, go to the same place. After that page number code, space, add the / space and go to that header and footer menu. There number of pages option is available. Just click on that. It will add the code which represents the number of pages available in that sheet. See, the total number of pages has been added. There is total number of pages are 2. In that we are in first page. We are in second page of 2 pages. Page numbers. And there is 3 places. Right, left and center. If you want to add these page numbers to the left, you just cut that from here, paste. Page numbers will add to the left side. If you want it in the right side, you can paste the same code in the right side. Or if you want to add the page numbers in the footer, bottom of the page, that time you can go to the footer and add the same code where you want to see the page numbers. See, page numbers comes in the bottom of the page. Like this, we can add the page numbers. After adding the page numbers, we can go to the print view to see how your sheets will look when printed with the page numbers. We have to see the print preview. For that, go to File, select the option Print. See, this is the print preview. This is how your page will look when printed with these page numbers. And that's it. You have successfully added page numbers to your Excel sheet. This simple step can make your documents look more polished and professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.